Have you ever dreamed of a career where you can travel across the country, experience new places, and make a real difference in people's lives? You are in the right place. In this video, we'll talk about how to become a travel nurse, the qualifications you need, what to expect, and, of course, how much you can earn. Welcome to Travel Tips Haven. If you've ever dreamed of combining your love for nursing with a passion for travel, this video is for you. What is a travel nurse? A travel nurse is a registered nurse who takes on temporary assignments in healthcare facilities across the country or even internationally. These assignments typically last 8 to 26 weeks. Travel nurses fill staffing shortages, help during peak seasons, or provide specialized skills when needed. The flexibility and opportunity to explore new places are what make this career so attractive. Why become a travel nurse? So why do people choose this career path? Here are the top reasons. 1. High demand. The healthcare industry is growing, and travel nurses are always needed. 2. Competitive pay. Spoiler alert, it pays really well. 3. Adventure. You get to see new places while working. 4. Flexibility. You can choose your assignments, locations, and even take time off between contracts. It's a career that combines passion for healthcare with a love for exploration. Steps to become a travel nurse. Now, let's get into the steps to become a travel nurse. Here's how you can make it happen. Step 1. Become a registered nurse, RN. First, you need to be a licensed RN. This means earning an associate degree in nursing, ADN, or a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BSN, and passing the NCLE-XRN exam. Step 2. Gain experience. Most travel nurse agencies require 1 to 2 years of clinical experience in your specialty. This is to ensure you can adapt quickly to new environments. Step 3. Obtain licenses and certifications. You'll need to get licensed in the state where you plan to work. The Nurse Licensure Compact, NLC, makes this easier for nurses in participating states. Also, some specialties require certifications like ACLS, PALS, or TNCC. Step 4. Choose a specialty. Specialties like ICU, ER, OR, and labor and delivery are highly sought after and can increase your earning potential. Step 5. Find a travel nursing agency. Travel nursing agencies connect you with job opportunities. Research agencies carefully, looking for good reviews, competitive pay packages, and reliable support. Step 6. Apply for assignments. Once you've chosen an agency, you can start applying for assignments that fit your preferences for location, duration, and pay. How much do travel nurses earn? Let's talk numbers. Travel nurse salaries can vary based on location, specialty, and experience. Here's a breakdown. 1. Base pay. On average, travel nurses earn between $75,000 and $120,000 annually. Hourly rates range from $35 to $60, depending on the assignment. 2. Housing stipends and benefits. Most travel nurses receive housing stipends or free accommodation. This can save you thousands per month. Other benefits may include travel reimbursements, health insurance, and retirement plans. 3. High-paying locations. California, New York, and Texas often offer the highest salaries due to demand and cost of living. Specialized roles like ICU or OR nurses can earn even more. 4. Bonuses. Some assignments offer completion bonuses or referral bonuses, adding even more to your earnings. Tips for successful travel nursing. Here are some quick tips for success as a travel nurse. 1. Stay organized, keep track of licenses, certifications, and contracts. 2. Be adaptable. Every facility is different, so flexibility is key. 3. Save money, take advantage of housing stipends and plan finances carefully. 4. Network, build relationships with colleagues and recruiters for future opportunities. 5. Have fun, explore the places you're assigned to and make the most of your time there. And there you have it, the roadmap to becoming a travel nurse and how much you can earn. If you're passionate about nursing and have a sense of adventure, this could be the perfect career for you. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone considering a career in nursing. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!